This is part 2 to Spirit Bomb. This is a great trick. Really technical, as you saw in the last segment. The whole trick itself looks like this. We've gotten that far. Let me get out of here and do that again. So we have gotten to the first pop, which is right here. And then the second pop, which is the hardest part of the trick, believe it or not, brings you there. And then you dismount from the whole thing. So let's get to where we were from part 1. We've done this, we've done the first move, and we've done the pop. Okay? Remember that if you're here, you can actually just get into the pop by swinging the yo-yo over if you just want to practice the second part. And this is how I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. So keep in mind, what we would have just have done is we've gone and popped. I'm just going to teach you from a regular wrist mount, which was this, how to get into it from there. You just basically swing it over your throw hand and you're ready to do the second part. To do this, again, another similar move to Kuijibo. What you want to do is pop the yo-yo up in mid-air and you bring your throw hand underneath it. And watch what happens when I do this here. My throw hand's here, there's a triangle that forms. As your hand pulls across, this is actually the triangle the yo-yo is going to go through. It drops straight down into it and lands on the string below. And it looks like you're right back in a split bottom, or in a wrist mount. And it's pretty close to it. There's just one extra wrap, but it still comes out when you dismount from it normally. So let me show you that again. It's from the wrist mount. We're just skipping the first part of the trick. You're popping it up, you're pulling your throw hand under, and you're catching it in that triangle. It's right there. It went right through that triangle and dropped straight into the string below. That's Spirit Bomb. Let me put the whole thing together for you now. So you've got your first part. You go under, okay, in. You got the first pop. Let me show you. If you miss, there's also ways. You'll notice I'm missing here and there. When you hit, if you were to miss that, you can actually just replace it back on the string if you want by throwing it over and swinging it back, just like that. So let me show you again the whole trick. Spirit Bomb. You got your first pop, you're going to pop it up, forms that triangle, and that's what it drops through. Come back under, dismount, as was shown in the wrist mount part, and that's Spirit Bomb. Watch the video a couple times. Takes a lot of practice, but it's worth it.